Following a series of the killings in Pakistan and the arrest of the handlers, including the Indian spy Kulbhushan Yadhav, it is no longer a secret that New Delhi is funding and orchestrating terrorism in Pakistan through its intelligence agency, the Research and Analysis Wing. Kulbhushan Yadhav was arrested on 3rd March 2016 in Balochistan, where, according to his own confession, he was engaged in espionage and the terrorist activities. All parties Hurriyat Conference has expressed serious concern over the use of the materialistic and communal tactics by the Indian government to stifle its voices of the people of the Kashmir who are peacefully striving for the exercise of plebiscite, acknowledged by the United Nations. APSC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said the Hindutva regime led by the BJP in India has declared a full-fledged war against the oppressed people of the occupied Kashmir. Lawyers in occupied Kashmir have said that they are not contesting the political cases of the prisoners due to the extreme pressure from the Delhi-appointed Manoj Sinha administration. The situation highlights the significant and the legal human rights issues in occupied Kashmir, where the lawyers are facing extreme pressure from the BJP government and the Indian agencies to avoid representing the individuals connected with the pro-freedom movement. People's Democratic Party President Mehbooba Mufti has asked the party's 3 legislators to ensure that a resolution seeking a holiday in memory of the July 13 martyrs is first to be passed during the budget session in occupied Kashmir Assembly. July 13 was observed as a public holiday in occupied Kashmir to commemorate the 22 men who fell to the bullets of the Dogra Maharaja soldiers outside the Srinagar Central Jail in 1931. The holiday was, however, scrapped by the Lieutenant Governor-led administration following 2019 abrogation of the Article 370.